Hey, this is Jimmy Dillon, and this is your 3-chord, 3-minute lesson. Today we're going to look at a G, a C, and then a special kind of D where you move up 2 frets with your C chord. Okay, that's what it sounds like. So we start out with our G chord, and this one I finger with my 3rd on the 3rd fret, 2nd on the 2nd fret of the A string. And open, 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 and the pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E. Okay, so it's 3, 2, open, 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 3. And then you do a C chord, which we all know by now. There's that C. Now this is where it gets interesting. You take that C chord and you move it up 2 frets. It's great voicing. So you've got those notes together. It's like a D, an F sharp, and then an open G, and a D. It gives kind of a mystical sound to it. Here's what it sounds like in movement. And then up. You can strum it if you want. Okay, so that's 3 chords. And G, C, and D, and again it's a slightly different sound than we're used to. I like it when we're in a picking pattern like this. So as you can see, there's a lot of possibilities with those shapes, but what I love about it is it's so easy because you have a G, and sometimes, you know, we're used to making a G like this, which is fine, or sometimes we do it like this, but in this particular instance, it really behooves us to make a G with the pinky involved on that. Because the movement is so easy to go to the C chord, all you have to do is move these 2 fingers down 1 string, and then drop your 1st finger onto that C note on the B string, 1st fret, and you got to your C. So look at the movement here. Pretty simple, right? And then by sliding up, and you don't have to move anything, keep the same chord and just move up 2 frets. And in fact, this is the basis of a song I had the pleasure of recording with Chuck Leavell, keyboard player for the Stones and Allman Brothers, John Mayer, great player. And we recorded this one together as a duo. It's called River Song, and this is how I'll leave you with this as it goes. 3 chords, 3-minute lesson, 3-chord wonders. Jimmy Dillon, we'll see you soon. If you like what you're seeing, please hit subscribe down below. Leave a comment, love to hear from you. Aloha from Maui.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.